Hey, it's Hudson Harden, and I'm going to open up this set here of Topps USA Baseball, 2010 Topps USA Baseball. I bought this at Target for $9.99. It features USA Collegiate, 18 and under, and 19 and under national teams. There's no listing at all about what's in this box. There's no checklist I've seen. I just picked it up and bought it. So I figured I'd just open it right here. I'm sure I could look up online what's in it, but I'd rather be surprised. So I'm just going to see right here what exactly you get in one of these $9.99 boxes. Okay. I've got the cards here. Just kind of come out like that. It looks like there's two different stacks. So the first one here is this is the 18 and under team. Albert Almora, Tony Wolters, Lance McMullers, Nicky Delmonico, Michael Lorenzen, John Sims, Henry Owens, Daniel Camarena, AJ Venegas, Elvin Soto, Christian Lopez, Blake Swihart, Dylan Maples, John Hochstatter, Ricardo Jaquez, Philip Pfeiffer III, Francisco Linder, Brian Ragera, Marcus Littlewood, Christian Montgomery, Bubba Starling, Chris Chania, this is now 16 and under, Corey Seager, Zach Green, Mark Brakeman, Sheldon Neuse, Chris Oakey, Alex Bregman, Matt Olson, Ryan Burr, Timmy Lopez, Nelson Rodriguez, and then just a blank card. Okay. So that's the 16 under and 18 and under national team cards. A lot of those were featured also in the Bowman USA. Now we get the collegiate cards here. Tyler Anderson, George Springer, Brian Johnson, Jackie Bradley Jr., Sean Gilmartin, Brett Mooneyham, Anthony Rendon, Mikey Matuk, Matt Barnes, Steve Rodriguez, Peter O'Brien, Nolan Fontana, Noe Ramirez, Sonny Gray, Garrett Cole, Kyle Winkler, Scott McGuff, Alex Dickerson, Ryan Wright, Brad Miller, Jason Esposito, Andrew Magi, or McGee, Nick Ramirez, Albert Almora, Nick Travieso, Carson Kelly, Sean Brady, Troy Conyers, Ivan Pelaez, Adrian Marin, Cole Billingsley, Lucas Sims, and Felipe Perez. Okay, so that's the set here. Again, you can just get this whole set for $9.99. I'm assuming every set is exactly the same, like this. I know none of these names sound familiar right now, but who knows, maybe in a few years from now, maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years, we'll be looking back at some of these as stars, and these will be rookies worth something. I don't know. So only time will tell whether my $9.99 was actually worth it or not. So that's that, and thanks for watching.